Okay, it's taken me about 45 minutes to dig this hole. We've got a hole, and you wouldn't bloody believe it, we've got fresh water. That, what you can see on the bottom of that hole there, is fresh drinking water. That is fresh water. Obviously it's not clean at the moment, but it's fresh water. What I want to do is I want to dig about 300 mil past the bottom of the water. So I want to have about this much water sitting in this hole before the bottom hits the bottom. What's going to happen over time is all the settlement will just settle back down to the bottom, and the fresh drinking water will separate from the dirty water and it'll sit on top. Time on the island now is roughly 5.5, 6 hours. We've been on this island now, and it's been 6 hours with absolutely no liquid. My mouth is as dry as a bag of flour. I am super parched. I'm going to get a coconut. Look at that. That is a fresh coconut full of liquid. Oh. Yeah, lubricate me, baby, lubricate me.
See you next video.